What's different this time? In the last couple puzzles, we needed to change the variable by 1 for each new patch. This time, each patch is 2 spaces further, and has 2 more nectar to get and 2 more honey to make.